Hello, hello, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it's time for another Mornings with Danny. Today is Wednesday, so we're going to do Colorful Wednesday, which normally as we proceed will be one of two things. Either I will share some Copic color combos in the form of a memory dex card, or I'll just have a coloring video. Today we're going to do some Copic combos, and I'm going to give a little backstory. When I first started seeing memory dex cards, I thought they were very, very cool, and I knew I wanted to do them, but my first thought when I saw them is that would be amazing to keep track of my Copic color combos. At the moment, I have lots of little post-it notes all over. I have folders from classes I've done, but when I want to find a particular combo, it takes me forever to find them. So I thought when I first saw, like I said, these memory decks, that would be an easy way to have it be on my craft table and be easy to, access. Then I got the memory decks and I thought, oh my goodness, these are just so fun. So I have been making more for myself and doing swaps. This was a swap card. But we'll get into more of these type on Mondays, because we will do memory decks Monday. But for today, I thought I would share my first Copic colors. I have been working on this for a while as to how I wanted to do it. Did I want to do big ones? Did I want to decorate them? Did I want to try to fit a whole bunch onto one? I finally decided I didn't want to worry about decorating them because then I may not get as many done. I didn't want to do much to it. I just wanted to have an image and have the colors. And that's exactly what I did. And I think that'll be easier to find when I put them on there and I start getting a lot of them. Especially when there's more than one Copic color. I mean, Copic color combo. Say that 10 times fast. Having it on individual cards, I think, will be easier for me, and I can flip through, and you can just get a glance at what they're going to look like. Obviously, you can blend them differently, use them differently, but it's a good reference point. I debated and debated about the paper to use. It is not my favorite Copic coloring paper. That is Catherine Pooler cardstock, but it is the Nina Solar White. It's a little bit cheaper and more readily accessible, so I thought that would be a better choice. And it's, like I said, it doesn't have to be accurate. It's just giving me an idea so that when I want to color up, like today, pigs, I can have 3 different color combos and choose which one I think will work with whatever I'm creating. All of the information will be in the description box below as to the dies that I use, which I love these Scrappy Boy memory dex dies. It's the stitched memory dex cards. I love them. These are my go-to. And then I believe this set is retired from the Greeting Farm. It's called Hogs. I just thought it was the perfect size to color up a little piggy. I started with pigs because for whatever reason, I look up the pig coloring combo probably more than anything else, which is just so funny to me. But as you can see, just looking, there's so many different ways you can do little piggies. So I will also have these 3 color combos in the description box, so you don't have to worry about trying to stop it to write it down. This one I did E50, R20, and R30. You can see that one. And this one's very similar. It's R30, R32, and E50. But you can see that there's just a little bit of a difference. Hopefully the camera picks it up. This one goes a little bit more pink and I guess a little bit darker there. And then for those cases when you want a really pink pig, I did quadruple 0, RV10, RV13, and R21. So there's 3 different versions of little piggy. And now I don't have to look through to find my little post-it note where I wrote it down. So again, these are super simple, easy, quick, but I hope that having it on my desk will save me some time and encourage me to utilize more of these combos that I have written down, because oh my goodness, I have a ton, like red hair, brown hair, skin tones, this and that and the other. So hope that this maybe gives you a little bit of an idea if it's something you're interested in. And that's what I've got for you today. Go do something crafty and have an amazing day. See you soon.